Okay, let's say I want to write the equation of a line, and I have the slope m equals 3, so my slope is 3, and I want my line to pass through the point 4, negative 5. So I'm going to start with slope-intercept form. So I have y equals mx plus b. 4 is my x-coordinate. Negative 5 is my y-coordinate. So I would have negative 5 equals 3 times my x-coordinate of 4 plus my y-intercept. So I'm trying to find my y-intercept. So now I have negative 5 equals 12 plus b. I'm going to subtract 12. So I have negative 17 equals b. And now I'm going to go back to slope-intercept form, and I'm going to substitute in my slope of 3 and my intercept of negative 17, and that's my equation of my line. Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look at a second example. So let's say my slope is 1/2, and I want my line to pass through the point 2, 4. I just need to know my intercept, and I can write the equation of my line. So I'm going to start out with slope-intercept form. I have y equals mx plus b. I'm going to substitute in my y, my m, and my x-coordinate of 2. So if I make those substitutions, I have 4 equals 1/2 times 2, and then plus b. So half of 2 is 1. So I have 4 equals 1 plus b, subtract 1, so b would equal 3. So I now have a y-intercept of 3. So I have y equals 1/2 x plus 3 as my final answer. If I go back and substitute in my slope and my y-intercept. Okay, let's take a look at a third and final example. So let's say I have a slope of negative 1, and I want my line to pass through the point negative 1, negative 2. Once again, I'm going to start with slope-intercept form. This will be the only the form we work through. So I would have to substitute in my y-coordinate, my x. So this is y. This is your x-coordinate, and this is your slope, obviously, negative 1. That should go in there. So now I will have negative 2 equals negative 1 times negative 1 plus my intercept that I'm solving for. So I have negative 2 equals 1 plus b. I'm going to solve for b, so subtract 1. So I have negative 3 equals b. Now I need to use y equals mx plus b and substitute in my slope of negative 1 and my intercept of negative 3. So I have y equals negative 1x minus 3.